Hello, I'm Dr. Craig Butler, your Northwest Ohio chiropractor, and today we're going to do an adjustment. What brought you in today?
My back is cramping over my legs. I'm bad.
Okay. So this is Kathy. She's a little bit of Elmore royalty. She designs little girls' dresses and sells them on the internet. So check her out if you have a little girl or a granddaughter. KP Originals. They're adorable.
Yeah, it's up higher is where I'm hurting on.
Oh
So
no,
it might be out.
Oh man.
Yeah, it's really bad.
What did you do this week?
I was sitting down, I was cutting shipping labels apart, and I was like,
Okay.
oh my gosh.
I thought you didn't do that stuff anymore.
I know. Well, if I'm really feeling useless, then I go down and get a menial task, like sewing on buttons.
So, interesting thing about Kathy is she's a chronic Lyme disease patient. So, and we kind of got onto that while she was a patient here.
That's true.
Yeah.
You figured it out.
And now she's going through. You've tried a few different treatments.
Yeah.
You've gotten a little better.
I think so. Maybe 10%.
So it's a work in progress.
Now I can cut shipping labels apart. It's a huge advancement.
So I know this isn't the worst spot, but we're going to start at the bottom today.
That's fine.
Okay? Let's have you lay on your back, on your side, facing this way.
Oh, we never do that. Oh, that's good. Oh, I think this
Alright, we'll have you bend that. Okay. Slide this hip forward.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Let's slide this shoulder down. Alright. And L5 here. Take a deep breath in. Let it all out. Roll a little bit. One more. There it goes.
That wasn't relaxed. You got it.
Let's have you lay on your back. You're tight today.
Yeah, I'm a mess. I didn't realize it.
It's been a couple weeks since I saw you.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's have you cross your arms. Let air out.
Pretty easy.
Yeah. There we go. Okay. Let's bring it back in the chair, see where we're at. Okay.
Oh, good. Oh, my lower back hurts.
It moved.
But I think this is a little better. Okay, so I don't know, why does it cramp up that much? Like it
Why does it-
feels like my lungs are cramping when I have that.
when you have this through here?
Yeah.
Okay, so right here, so the nerves in this area, especially like in the lower
Right.
thoracic, upper lumbar area, that's right where your diaphragm is.
Okay.
Right? So if this area isn't moving well,
Mm-hmm.
your diaphragm needs to expand and contract. So if those rib joints and those
Right.
spine joints don't move well there, it's tough for your diaphragm to
Yeah.
work the way it's supposed to work.
It was like I
Like
wasn't
you
having
couldn't take a
trouble
deep breath
breathing.
in.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but I was
Yeah.
not comfortable.
So then you'll start breathing with your shoulders,
Right.
and then your shoulders will get tight because you're using those mostly
Right.
to breathe.
So just come here quickly. Good.
Right, I'm the answer for everything.
Yes.
Alright, let's have you sit back. This feels good up here.
Yeah, my neck seems okay.
A little bit. Well, it's kind of below your neck. And then T1 here. Let your chin down.
Oh, now that's weird.
Mm-hmm. There it goes. Great. Let's have you face down on the table.
Oh, I like this one.
Is this sore?
Yeah. Yeah, my hips are a mess. They hurt really
But it's
bad.
usually your right hip.
Yeah, they're both bad. Like, I can hardly sleep. They hurt so bad.
Have you had any Lyme treatments lately?
I just take the vitamin C every day, and then I'm just doing antigen every 2 months. So in February, I'll go back.
Okay. Right. You did that new treatment?
Yeah, the vitamin C by IV just makes me so sick that I can't function.
Right.
And I was starting to like cry as soon as they put the line in.
That's probably not good.
It's incredibly traumatic.
I'm paying for this.
Yeah, so I was like, it's just. And I don't know if I have bad veins, but I would blow a vein like every time, and it would leak into my.
Oh, so you get like a bad bruise?
No, the vitamin C burns like fire when it goes out.
Ooh.
So, I mean, it hurts a little bit anyway. So it's like for the first few minutes you don't notice that it's doing it, and then all of a sudden you're like, oh my gosh. It'll eventually just absorb through your flesh. One wrench in it. Yeah, that's really good. I really like that thing. This has to be good for circulation.
This is great for your circulation.
Yeah.
Help those muscles relax a little bit.
I'm gonna go see Heidi next week.
Nice. Have you been to her before?
Just once.
Yeah, she's pretty good.
But I feel like I have to tell her that I'm really sick and she needs to go easy.
She'll go easy.
Yeah. Am I supposed to see you before or after?
After.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's bring you back in the chair.
Oh, I like this one. Yeah, I think it's better. It's funny. It was bad, but it's only been bad for like 15 minutes.
Okay.
Like
Well,
where it was hurting.
This hip is better.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, my whole back feels great now.
This feels great right here.
Okay.
So great. Feeling good.
Yeah, it's better.
Okay.
Thank you.
Well, hey, thanks for watching. I'm Dr. Butler. This is Kathy. KPOriginal.com, right?
KP.co.
KP.co. You forgot the M?
Nah, I can afford the M.
Okay. Have a good one.